keep me wondering, is our love strong, just like a love song? Baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder.
So yun mga pre, andito tayo ngayon sa Tagaytay Picnic Grove. At kita nyo naman, sobrang dami ng tao. Saglit lang din kami dito, pahinga lang. At baka magkatid pa kami sa isang spot. Kasi wala kami mahirap na hanap na kapihan dito. So explore lang lang itong lugar na to, pahinga. Then, susubukan ko magpalipad, sana payagan. Let's go!
Moving slow, all the days that passed had nowhere to go. I watched them slip away as far as I can see. I let them roll astray. It did not bother me. The sun is shining through every window pane. It's bathing you in light, so why should I complain? If there should ever be a storm or a pouring rain, we'll look out through the window pane where the sun will shine again. Time is moving still, and you here with me. A house upon the hill.
So guys, ayun na. Tapos na kami magpahinga dito at tumambay sa Picnic Grove. At ayun, sulit naman. Ito paano, kahit sobrang hangin, nakapagpalipad tayo. Ito paano, na-establish natin at nakapag-enjoy naman kami dito. So baka diretso biyahe na kami pa uwi. Or yun, magkakape kami sa madadaanan. And yun, let's go!